You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you.
I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you.
Hai friends, hari ini aku mau bikin tutorial buat rambut. Tutorial rambut ini perfect buat kondangan, buat big events. Rambut tutorial ini easy banget, tapi kelihatannya kayak chic dan fancy gitu. Jadinya perfect. Takes me about 10-15 minutes to fix my hair like this. So you can tell it's really fast, super easy. Just takes practice. But once you master it, you can master this messy low bun tutorial. If you would like to see how I created this hair tutorial, please keep watching. Okay, let's get started. All you need today is just a comb like this one, hairbrush, dan bobby pin. Terus rambutnya disisirin sedikit sebelah ini ke bawah. You need to part your hair like that. Grab a little on the side, make sure they are same size. That. You want to turn to the side, part your hair. You want to tease your hair a little bit on this side. Since I part my hair right here, this side tends to get a little flat, so therefore I tease it a lot more than the other side. I like to leave a few down, just like that. Then you want to grab side piece like this, and when you're bringing this hair piece back, make sure this back area right here is volumized, just like that. So you want to put jadinya pakai bobby pin di sini. Taruh di sini satu. Pakai bobby pin lagi. Kedua, cara pakai bobby pin harusnya di crisscross kayak gini, so your hair does not move anywhere. Terus sebelah sini, brush the hair back a little bit, and then terus pakai bobby pin lagi. Taruhnya di sini. Kayak gitu. chin down a little bit. Make sure this back area is teased. It's okay to have it not perfectly slicked back. It's good to have this part of your hair a little messy, just like this, because we're trying to create a messy bun. Then you want to put another bobby pin to secure the back. Want to make sure it's pulled back right in the middle, right here. Oke, step 2. Step kedua, ambil setengah rambut kayak begini. Then what you want to do is twist it, that top hair, and then put it up. After you twist it, put it up right there, and then you secure it with a bobby pin. Like that. Make sure you do 2 bobby pins, secure it. Next important step is to tease your hair. Grab that part of your hair and scrunch it up. And secure it in place. You want to put the bobby pins in random places. You see there are some parts out, then you just want to grab those parts and just secure it, then secure it somewhere. Terus rambut yang di bawah di tease lagi pakai comb. Tease kayak begitu. Sampai kayak gede kayak gini rambutnya. Terus diambil kayak gini. Then you twist like that and leave this bottom part a little big, just like so. Then what you need to do is secure that in place right below the other bun. Okay, we're almost done. With this last part, you want to tease it some more. Make sure it is volumized. Keep teasing it. Just keep teasing it, just like that. Then you grab the ends just like this and tuck it underneath. And secure it with a bobby pin. Terus abis selesai, ambil rambut di sebelah sedikit-sedikit kayak begini. Next, ambil hairspray-nya. This is my favorite hairspray, the Amika Touchable hairspray. Rambutnya di hairspray. Okay, that is it. As you can see, this hair tutorial is very easy to recreate. All you need is a hairbrush, a comb, hairspray, and some bobby pins. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I want to be there and baby dance.